Hey guys, just wanted to make this quick video to say thank you. As of this moment, we have 71 subscribers, and my highest view video has 16,000 views, 159 likes, and 47 comments. This is incredible, and I can't thank you guys enough. This is a huge milestone for me. I have to thank you on this Thanksgiving. That being said, as a special thank you, I want to read and respond to all the comments left on my current videos uploaded, because without you, we wouldn't be here at this very moment. So, let's start the video unscripted. And JubJub783Pi2IJ says, Feist. That's a pretty good comment. I guess I would have to say, yeah. Yet no one bashes Adidas for making the same superstar colorways for decades. True. I mean, we can't deny that. That's very true. I love them, to be very honest. That's what TBV stands for. The cleanest sneaker out there. I agree. Soy Network Marketer says, I'm going to get my first Jordans next week. So what would you recommend? The highs or the lows? I actually already responded to this comment, but in case you're in a similar situation like him, I recommend the highs. You won't regret it. John316 Diecast4 says, great video. Thank you, John. I really appreciate it. Crystal Not Hacking 1251 says, IJs like the simplicity of the shoe, comma, nothing much. What? This is the most hated black and white shoe of all time. No one shits on the Vans Old School or the Converse. These sneakerheads get mad when something becomes accessible. That's very, very true. That's honestly the truth with any shoe. Thank you. When the black and white Vans were popular, no one gave a shit. But now sneakerheads want to gatekeep shit that's been around for a while. Like they don't have a pair of Dunks in their closet. Holy shit. My God, I can't believe you just dropped that bomb on us. What a clown, LOL. Dunks came out in 1985 as a basketball sneaker, as a direct competitor to the Converse basketball sneakers. They didn't come out as a skateboarding sneakers, you clown. Get your facts straight. If you're going to make a video about Dunks, Jesus. All right, man, dude, calm down. I guess I made a mistake.
Whoa, just take it easy, man.
You put a pair of Jordan 1 lows in one of your B-rolls towards the end, LOL.
The Nike Panda Dunks, the beloved sneakers that have captured the hearts of millions.
Shit, you're right. Is this really your vid? It's high quality, but you only have 23 subs. What can I say? Practice makes perfect. I can see the greedy smiles of the resellers. Damn, dude, chill. LOL. Nope. SB Dunks are good, though. Not the Pandas. Overhyped sneakers as usual. Hey, man, I just think people think they're overhyped because everybody has access to them now. Why don't they restock the Kentucky and the Syracuse? I don't know, man. I just think Nike is just scared. I got them today off the Nike website. Size 10. You know, this is 2 months ago, but 2 months ago, this is impressive. Now, if they release Dunks on the Nike website, they're just sitting there, so I think that's pretty cool now. I own a pair of Panda Dunks, but they're high tops. Those are cool too. I personally just like the lows. A lot of young kids wear them because they are cheap, and you don't have to style to wear them. Yeah, man, that's why I like them. I mean, you can get a SpongeBob t-shirt from Walmart, get some shorts, red shorts, and you put some Pandas on there, and boom, you got the fit. #drip. I'm a Vans guy, simple and clean always, but I did just buy my first Pandas on a drop. Didn't overpay. They look simple and clean. Bro, I'm so happy you didn't overpay because there's a lot of people that unfortunately pay so much than what they're worth, and I'm glad you didn't. I bought my Dunks from a Shoe Palace, but the tongue on the shoe has one R trademark logo. Do you know the reason? That was the only flaw I saw. Next question, and no one bashes Converse Chuck Taylors. Everyone has those. Come on, people. Grow up. Stop complaining. Comfortable. Only hype beasts would bash these sneakers. Skaters and kids have been wearing these for years because they are cheap and easy to wear. I'm so glad someone said it. I say get whatever you want, dude. Black and white. My 2 favorite colors. Just like my moods. Alright, Mikey, chill. J1 UNC. I love it. Nice. Dude, I love the UNC so much, dude. I hope by the end of the year I can get a pair because those are a sleeper hit. Because I've been seeing that they've been available in outlets and everywhere, dude, and I can't find them. So if it has to come to that point, I might just buy them off a website. All right, preparing myself for the speech. Those so-called sneakerheads hate them because they are mass-produced sneakers. They basically hate all sneakers that are not limited runs or special editions, so they can't resell them with idiotic prices. Like some sneakerheads made videos about how Jordan 1s are dead. They are not dead if more people have access to them with normal prices. Many people hate some shoes because those sneakerheads told them so. Like people hate Jordan 1 mids, and who cares if some shoes have a little bit thinner leather, or leather is not tumbled. In the end, it's the same leather. And also about creases, who cares? Those are shoes meant to wear and beat them up, not to hoard them and put them back in boxes and never wear them. Real sneakerheads buy shoes that they like and actually wear them, and don't buy what's currently are hyped up. Wow, that was a beautiful speech. Everything was just perfect. It sums up the sneaker community as a whole right now. Just the last part, what's currently are hyped up, kinda stumbled. Now, after that beautiful speech about the shoes that we should wear just because we want to wear them, because we shouldn't have them just in our closets to resell them later on, what do people think? Funny thing is, I don't like pandas.